Andrew, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you practicing for Christmas? What was in your present? Was it a football? Did your daddy get you a football? Yeah, but you care more about the wrapping paper, don't you? There's a football. Say, I can't wait for Christmas. Lots of wrapping paper. Andrew. You smile? Cutie patootie. See you later.